Hey crafty friends, welcome back. Today we are going to sew this fun dolphin felt plushie. This is a great beginner level project for kids with a little bit of adult supervision or adults who just want a fun project that can be put together in under an hour. I have a free pattern on my website that is linked in the description below, so go ahead, click that link, print your pattern, come back here, and let's sew this together. For this dolphin felt plushie, you're going to need the following supplies. Felt in the colors that you want your dolphin. I'm going to do gray for the top pieces and white for the bottom. The pattern, again, there's a free link on my website in the description below. Go ahead, click print, come here. Something to stuff your dolphin with. A lot of times I'll use felt scraps if I have them. If not, there's polyfill, which is what's in most stuffed animals. You can get that at the store. You can also use what's around your house, cotton balls, plastic bags, whatever you have the stuff in it. I am doing 2 different colors of floss. This is embroidery floss. It's just kind of like thicker thread. Makes it show up a little better. You can use normal threads too. I'm going to do blue for my dolphin's eyes, and I'm going to do gray for around it. Scissors that are strong enough to cut through your felt. Something to trace your patterns with. A needle to sew with. This is an embroidery floss needle, so specifically it just has a bigger eye up here that can fit this thicker thread. And then pins. I don't actually really like to use pins. I think they make it harder for me, but if they hold your pattern in place and they work well for you, please use them. So I'm going to start by cutting out my pattern. So go ahead, pause the video, cut out your pattern, and come back here before you start tracing it. Now that we've got our pattern pieces cut out, it's time to start tracing them. So a couple things when you're tracing, don't put your pattern in the middle of the felt. Put it as far to the side as you can so that you can use this felt for a lot of projects. Also, all of these that say cut to, you're going to trace it one time on the side with the words, and then you're going to flip the pattern over and trace it the second time on the side without words. This is just going to make it piece together a little better when we're sewing. Go ahead, pause the video, trace your pattern, and come back here before you start cutting it out. All right, now it's time to start cutting out your pattern. As you're cutting out your pattern, I want you to go slow and careful with your scissors, and I want you to cut off the edge that you've traced with. You can see on my excess felt, I've got my line, and I am cutting just barely on the inside of it. Also, if you get scrap felt, I would highly suggest keeping it. It is great for stuffing your plushie with. Go ahead, pause the video, get your pattern pieces cut out, and come back here and we will start piecing it together. Now we have all the pieces of our dolphin cut out. So you might notice on your dolphin pieces, you have a little places where your marker is showing through. That's fine. We're just gonna find the place on both of those and we're gonna sew them to the inside of our dolphin so that we don't have those lines showing on the outside. And right now we are going to sew our dolphin's eye on. So I'm grabbing my blue floss, threading my needle, and then as I thread it, I'm gonna do a parallel knot. So I'm just pulling both strings down, doing a loop knot here at the end with both threads, putting my finger over where I want it knotted to hold it in place as I pull it, and then pulling needle down to the very end of my thread. And I usually measure this from about my fingertips to the top of my elbow. Now that we've looked at our dolphin and we found where our lines are, that's the side we're going to start sewing on. So I'm looking at my dolphin and I think I want the eyeball to be about here. So I'm starting in the back where my lines show up, poking my needle through, not pulling it all the way tight, and then I'm poking it back through pretty close to where I started. You can see I've got a little tail back here. And now I'm pulling it and I'm putting my needle through right here where my knot is and I'm pulling it tight. That gives me an eye, but it's kind of a small eye. And I want my eye to be a little bit bigger, so I'm actually just gonna go through the felt again, kind of close to where I started. And when I do my knot going back through, I'm just gonna try and go right by where that other line was. So I'm a little bigger with the eye. And you know what? I want it even a little bigger. So I'm gonna go 1, maybe 2 more times, just crossing over to make that eye a little bit bigger. All right, I'm gonna do just 1 more time. I think most of my eyes end up being about 4 thread lengths. All right, so that looks pretty good for an eye for me. Now I want to tie off my knot back here. The way that I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna put my knot through the center bundle of these threads. I'm gonna wrap it twice around the tip of my needle and pull it down, and then I'm gonna put my thumb over the top of where all those knots are, so that it just kind of stays in place, and I'm going to pull it tight and snip those threads. So now I have a messy side of my dolphin's eye and a tidy side. I'm going to line that up with my other pattern. I'm going to tie this again, And I'm gonna peel this back because I want the messy side of the knot again inside. So I'm gonna push it through here, pull it, go back through, put it between these two threads before I pull it tight. It's gonna give me my first knot. And then I'm going to make the eye big like I did with that one. All right, so now we have the eye on both sides of our dolphin and we get to start piecing it together. So put those gray pieces one on top of the other, and we're gonna start here at the tip of the nose, and we are going to sew around the top of the dolphin, and we're gonna stop here before we get to this tail piece, because that's gonna open. So grab your thread that matches your top of your dolphin felt. I measure this pretty big. I usually go for my finger clips, clear to my shoulder, and sometimes a little past. And this time I'm just doing a single knot. I'm not doing the two threads together. So just a single knot at the end. I'm pulling this down so my tail's not quite so long. All right, and then we are gonna do our first stitch. All right, and we're gonna start by going through both pieces of felt, pulling our needle way through, and we don't have two to put it through this time, so we're just gonna kind of stick it in the middle of this bundle of threads as our starter knot. We're gonna pull it tight. And now we're gonna stick this tail and this knot inside of our dolphin. And we are going to do a simplified blanket stitch, and we're gonna go through both pieces of felt, and then this tail piece where your string just came out, we're gonna wrap it over the top of the needle and pull it all the way to the end of your thread. And then we're gonna do that again. We're gonna move up just a little bit, go through both pieces of felt. Right now, you just wanna make sure the edges of the felt are close together. We're not gonna worry about the rest of the dolphin right now. Pull it through both pieces of felt, wrap the tail over the top of the needle and pull it through. If you get knots as you're going, slow down, don't pull it tight, and pull back the other way and see if you can untangle. Usually they just need to be unraveled a little. All right, and now we're just gonna continue this blanket stitch all the way around the head, the fin, and we're gonna stop right here at the top of the tail. Okay, so we're gonna stop right here at the top of the tail, and we're gonna peel your dolphin open a little. We're gonna get this white one, and now we're gonna lay this white piece across this dolphin. We're gonna match up the tail. We're gonna start right here at the base of the tail. And now instead of going through the two gray pieces, we're gonna go through the gray piece and the white piece. And we're gonna continue that blanket stitch. Now, instead of doing the two gray pieces, we're just adding this white piece. As you're sewing, just keep making sure your edges are lined up as you go. The middles we're gonna stuff, so it's all right if they're not perfect. Just try and keep the two edges lined. Okay, be extra careful as you're going around this fin. Again, just try and make sure the edges are lined up and readjust as you go. All right, so my thread's getting really low here. I'm obviously not gonna be able to finish the project with this, so I am going to make a knot stitch. So this time, instead of doing a blanket stitch, I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna wrap the tail of this twice around the top of my needle. 1, 2. My finger on it as I pull it through. Just gonna pull it tight, and I'm gonna leave this long, and I'm just gonna tuck it into my dolphin. Gonna make your knot less likely to come untied, and then I'm gonna pull me a fresh strand, and I'm gonna start again right there and keep going. All right, so I'm doing another single knot stitch. I'm gonna go inside my dolphin's body for this one. pull this thread almost to its end, right here. Stick my needle again through this bundle of threads and then pull it tight. Tuck the edge of that knot into my dolphin. And now I'm going to just keep going with my blanket stitch. So through both pieces of felt, I'm going to try not to grab my fresh knot. Okay, if you're coming up on the head and it's feeling like this nose is too long, try pulling your top piece of felt and wiggling it in so it lines up. It is a little bit flexible. You might have to push it in a little. If you have gotten off while sewing and it's feeling way too long, you can try trimming it down, but I think the easiest is going to be just trying to stretch your top felt. Make sure that nose fits all the way into the tip. This is probably the trickiest part of sewing this whole project, is going around the nose right here. Just do slow, careful stitches, getting the edges of the pieces you're sewing. So once you finish sewing that second flipper, we're going to stop. We're going to stop right there and we are going to start stuffing the inside of it. So we have this opening here ready to stuff. I am going to start with my felt scraps, and you want to stuff the furthest away things first. So we're going to work on stuffing this fin up here and his nose and this back tail before we stuff the rest of it. And if your scraps are too big, trim them down as you go. If you have a hard time reaching all the way to those faraway places with your fingers or your thumbs, feel free to grab a pencil or a pen or even your scissors and just work your stuffing all the way to the ends of those pieces. Once you've got your edges stuffed, you can go through and stuff the middle of it. I don't have quite enough felt, so I'm going to be using some of this polyfill to get my dolphin all the way fluffy. All right, and once you have your main body full, we're going to just go back to that blanket stitch. And we're going to continue that blanket stitch all the way to this back part of the tail where we started. We are going to pause and stuff this second tail flipper when we get there. We are almost done. It is a little more tricky to sew now that your dolphin is full. Go slow and careful. Make sure that you're getting the edges of both pieces of felt. If you have to pause to push your stuffing in as you go, that's very normal. So pause, push it in with your finger, and then keep going with your stitches. Good knot here. Okay, and I'm going to go around the dolphin's tail from here all the way till about here before I start stuffing it. Okay, right here I'm going to pause and I'm going to fill this back fin. Just a little bit of my stuffing. Pulling out the edge of my felt that kind of got tucked in with me pushing that around. All right, and now we are going to continue with our blanket stitch all the way until we get back where we started. Okay, so this last stitch, I'm going up through the bottom through the top. It's kind of hard to reach, so I'm letting my needle length work for me. I'm not pinching it. Pulling it real tight, and then we're going to do a knot stitch. So you're going to pull it through one more time. You're going to grab the tail like you did for the blanket stitch. We're going to wrap it once, twice over the top of our needle. Put your finger on it to hold those stitches close and pull it tight. And then we're going to poke our needle into our dolphin. Carefully poke it out one of the sides. Pull our string tight. Snip it right there. If you see the dot, we're just going to wiggle it in. And there we have it. You can wiggle the fluffiness around a little bit to get the placement better. But we have made a dolphin felt plushie. And there we have it, our finished dolphin felt plushie. I hope you had a good time putting this together. I know that I did. Be sure to come back next Monday for a brand new pattern and sew along. And if you like this, I would love for you to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow along, all the things, and I will see you next week.